Is this fun? Am I enjoying this? I don't think so. But it's necessary. I'm at a point in my life where I need to make a decision. Am I gonna be a fat old man or a fit old man? Some people do CrossFit because they're savages. Looking forward to compete, making a new personal best, but that's not me. All I want is more pizzas and more donuts. This is the price I have to pay for it. Sweating like a pig, lungs burning, listening to people telling me what to do, and saying yes to everything they say. Am I enjoying this? I'm gonna have to. Or, no more chicken wings and carrot cakes for me. No more apple pie and no more chocolate milkshakes. No more cheeseburgers and no more fries. No more popcorn at the movie theaters. And no more extra splash of butter on top of it. So, am I enjoying this? I guess I do now. One more rep, one more personal best, more sweat, higher heartbeats, more pain, more calories burned, whatever gets me to my next donut.